Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I've got a DIY experiment, so let's get into it. So this DIY experiment isn't technically an experiment, as I have done this several times before and I really love doing this. But besides sharing with you my recipe, I want to talk about the benefits of each ingredient in this recipe. Today I'm doing a conditioning hair mask and I'm using what I have, so adjust accordingly to how much hair you have, or even if you want more of any of the other ingredients in the recipe. I have here 1 puree avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey. Like I said, you can use more of each ingredient, and 6 millimeters of coconut oil, which is something new for me. So I'm just gonna mix everything together in this bowl. And now all that's left is to apply. So what I like to do is to start with freshly washed hair. As you can see, if you've seen my hair is just washed and detangled. Let me just take this off. And you should preferably do it with warm water. I'm taking advantage of the fact that I live in Panama, and here there's high humidity, which makes the cuticle of the hair to be lifted constantly, causing frizz. But also it's beneficial if you want to apply some sort of product that you want to go into the hair, to simply just put it on. So anyway, right now I feel my hair is damp, and I don't know if you can see the ends are a little dry. So I'm just gonna put some water in my hair to dampen it a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide my hair in small sections. There's no real science on how you apply. You just want to put it all over your hair. So I'm just gonna put this aside. Let me just clip this here, just to put it aside. And as you can see, there's just a little section of hair. And now I'm just gonna grab some of the mix of avocado, coconut oil, and honey, and I'm gonna rake it on my hair because I want to saturate all my strands with this mask. I know it's a little messy, but trust me, the avocado is really good for the hair, and I love using it. I've done this, like I said, several times before. I just put some on my ends because I need my ends need a little more care. You have to remember that's the oldest part of your hair. And yes, I'm gonna have to clean this row after this, but it's gonna be worth it. I know it's gonna be worth it. So as you can see, my hair is super detangled. Just gonna apply a little bit more, just to be sure that all my hairs have the mask on. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it their seed. Gonna twist it. I'm gonna leave it there for a bit. So let's just unclip this again. And let's just get a big section because I'm not gonna stay here for a long time just applying a mask. Let's do a big section. And I don't know how often should you use this. You can actually do it as much as you want. It's gonna provide nutrients to your hair and everything that it's helpful nutrients to our hair. It's good. So why don't I just tell you the benefits of the avocados, the coconut oil, and the honey. So avocados are packed with important nutrients and vitamins to help our body and hair. Vitamins like vitamin A, B vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, iron, and zinc. In our hair, the potassium and amino acids contained in the fruit help revitalizing and deep conditioning dry hair. It also smooths and boosts the shine of our locks, promotes hair growth by unclogging the hair follicles. It protects against damage with the antioxidants, shielding our scalps and hair from free radicals from stress and pollution, and the natural oils of the avocado moisturize and rejuvenate a dry scalp. Now let's talk about honey. I love honey because of its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Organic honey is a natural emollient that helps condition the hair and scalp. It hydrates the hair and scalp. It helps sealing the moisture and prevents water loss. Because of its antibacterial properties, it prevents dandruff, and because it's also anti-inflammatory, it helps with the irritation and inflammation of the scalp. What I just recently found out was that it contains a protein that helps prevent breakage, strengthening the hair follicle. It boosts the shine of our hair, helping with the overall appearance, and it also promotes hair growth. And now we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is a new ingredient for me. Before I was using olive oil, but I learned that olive oil actually feeds the yeast that lives in our scalps that causes dandruff. And while looking for an alternative, I landed on coconut oil. Coconut oil is an occlusive oil. It helps by locking in the moisture in our hair and scalp. It enhances the shine and softens the hair, helping with detangling and deep conditioning. Because it's occlusive, it fights against frizz, which is something all of us who have the blessing of having textured hair have to learn to live with. So these are the simple 3 ingredients of this hair mask. So I'm gonna finish applying the mask on my hair, and then you can see it's all over. And it's, like I said, very messy, but something we have to deal with. And I'll be back when I'm done applying. So now that it's fully saturated with the hair mask, let me show you, there's avocado everywhere. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap my hair and wrap it inside a plastic bag. So I'm just gonna twist this a little bit, keep it up. I'm gonna clip it just to secure it in place, and you can use a shower cap. I don't have a shower cap, just gonna use a plastic bag. It's all the same. and I'm gonna keep it. Let me just put this on, and I'm gonna keep this for 30 minutes, and after that I'm just going to wash my hair again and condition and style as normal, and that'll be it. So I'll be back when there's some hair that was left out. So I'll be back when I have styled and dried my hair to show you how my hair looks after this mask. So, this is how my hair looks after the hair mask and styling my hair. This is the back. This is how my curls are looking. My hair feels super moisturized. Look at the curls, how bouncy they look. And my hair looks shiny and super defined. Look at the curls. So yeah, I think this DIY hair mask actually do provides the hair with a lot of nutrients, and my hair feels super healthy. So yeah, still I would advise for you, if you're gonna try all these DIY hair masks with natural ingredients, that you actually try and consume the actual fruit or food that you're putting into your hair, because hair grows from the inside out. Anything that you put on top of the hair, it's just going to be washed out in your shampoo on your wash day. So it's better for you to consume the actual fruit or the actual food that you're putting in your hair consume it, because the vitamins, your body will actually absorb the vitamins and give them to whatever organ it needs to. So yeah, that's why I think I mean it's fun to do the hair mask, and I will continue doing it if I find myself with an avocado that I can spare, just to give my hair a little boost. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. You can follow me all over social media at PanaCurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.